In this video, we're going to take a look at how to do a search for a building which has got Verizon fiber and qualifies for the zero access fee promotion going on for former MCI POPs or buildings lit with MCI. Okay, so what we're going to do is just start typing. And yes, I'm going to pick an address that I know exists. By the way, I'm going to use the new Microsoft Edge browser, which comes with Windows 10. So I'm just kind of testing this out to make sure everything works okay. And by the way, I will tell you that the Windows 10 upgrade went very smoothly. I would strongly recommend doing the upgrade. Okay, so I'm going to do 201 Main Street, and then I'm going to do Fort Worth, Texas. And as you notice, it starts auto-populating because it means it is in our database. Don't need to have it in our database if we're doing near net type calculations, but it's always nice when you see that pop up. And we see here that, and this is in Texas, so the telco is AT&T. And you see all kinds of carriers in the near vicinity. What we're going to do is click the lit building results. And we see in this case there's more than one carrier that has service in this building. I could drill down and just look at things. I could see the satellite view. All kinds of things I could do. What we're going to do though is we're going to look at, because there's more than one location at this address, more than one carrier, we're going to look at our list here. And what we really want to see is we want to see the ones that have the thumbs up. And we see the green means on net, yellow means near net. So this building does qualify for the Verizon zero access fee. And you see this code here, VZB no loop. VZB no loop. Anytime you see a service code and a link over here, you can read about it. So in this case, I'm going to go over here and view it, and we can see, read a little bit. Basically, it means that there's no loop charge, which is really good for getting IP pricing. Note, the zero loop program is only available on case-by-case basis. Basically, it means we need to still always do an engineering check to see if it qualifies. When we do engineering checks, we need to get a signed letter of authorization as well before we actually perform the check. So Verizon's kind of funny about those things. Okay, and yes, we can see there are other carriers at this address as well, and so on. Now, another feature I just wanted to show you that we added was the export feature. So when you are in the list view, you click on export, you can simply download the results into Excel, and you see the carriers, and the distance, and a whole lot of other stuff that probably isn't that useful to you, but the key thing is here you can export the results, which is handy, especially if you're looking at customers looking at maybe checking out various addresses in the vicinity, and you want to just see what might be nearby. And again, because we've got the distance right here, that can be useful. And of course, you could just save that onto your desktop. That is all we're going to show today. Just keep in mind that we do have a large number of Verizon addresses. There's two categories. VZB and VZT. And VZB are the former MCI POPs that qualify for the zero access fee. The VZT, which will just show up as blank here, those still are good to check out for Verizon because it means there is fiber, but they don't qualify for that particular promotion. So just pay attention to that. That is all I've got. Have a great day.